This is why you will fail the EX200 exam. This script, I have gathered a lot of feedback of my students, dozens of them, and they all passed my IAD. Yes, no failures. And they gave me this feedback. That is, um, the scripting task. This is going to be a two-parter. I'm gonna do two videos about this task. And where is my mouse pointer? Is there? So I'm going to make two videos about this task, and this is the first one. I have an example here. So the task is going to be something like, of course, this is not the exact task. This is based on my students' feedback, and I came up with this example, which is create a script at user local bin checked underscore auth.sh.8. Don't try to get logic out of this. It's just Reddit being Reddit. But the premises are, the script should accept a username and an argument as an argument. If the user exits, the output must be user found. If the user does not exit, output must be user not found. Ensure the script is executable by all users. So I have the script here. Then we can just copy it to the final location, and the script will be built like this. I am not going to put this in the description for you guys to copy paste because reasons, but basically it's like this. So shebang, bing bash, check if username is provided. So a simple if statement checking the arguments that we pass on to the script. And if you don't provide anything, you should say provide the username. If you do, he will check to see if the user exists or not. Again, with a simple if statement using the ID command. And everything goes to the dev null. All the interesting things go to the dev null. And if the user exists, you get user found. If he does not exist, you get not found. So let's test it out. And of course, you just do a chmod. Okay, chmod plus X and check auth and or whatever the script you name, and it's executable by everyone. So this actually fits all the tasks. It's okay. All users can execute it, and we are actually good to go here. There we go. So looks fine. Everybody can execute, and that looks actually fine. If you're watching this in a short form, come check the long form. So let's test this out. So .blam task.blam. No, stupid of me to check auth. So we said nothing, and is asking us for the username, and we say root user found. If we say something that does not exist, carrots, for example, user not found. So let's check this again. Where is my task there? Here, where is it? There it is. So the script should accept username as an argument. Yes. If it exists, user found. Not exist, not found. That checks out. Ensure the script is executable by all users, and again checks out. So now the only thing I need to do is to copy my script. What did I call it? I forget what I call it. Check out. Yeah. So I just need to copy the name and copy to USR local bin and call it that name they want. And well, we can copy that and rename it or do whatever. Permission denied, it's fine. We use the root for that. Did I mistype the password? Probably I did. There we go. Then you can just rename it or use whatever process you like to get the script to its location and check what it and check and do whatever you want to do to get the correct name. I mean, at this point, you just do you know how it's done. Permission denied, so it's fine. And there we go. It's there in the correct location and has the correct name. So this last part of copying the file there, I'll just copy the file, and I mean, there we go. And you are good to go. So yeah, all my students passed, and they gave me this feedback of a possible script with this general guidelines of the task. They all passed, and that's all good and perfect. So give it a go. I cannot put this in the description for you to copy paste because of reasons. check it out. I can put it again one more time just for your reference. Okay. Let's go there, script, and this is the task and the check. Again, I'm going to make another video with a slightly different script that you may get. And there we go. Take your notes, experiment, and this should be something around these lines. They will ask you to test. Give it a go, like, subscribe, hype, and comment. Give me all the feedback you want me to give. You can call me names, can call me pretty names, bad names, it's fine. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment. Good luck in your endeavors, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.